think the fire's all right. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this. This is why I go camping, because the mornings are incredible. I'm gonna wash my face. Jason fell in yesterday. That was hilarious. That was really funny. What a nerd. Wash my face. I guess I should brush my teeth. That's important. I didn't bring a towel, I didn't bring anything. But it's okay. Oh, that felt good. That felt good and refreshing. Big fan. Morning time. Cooking some potatoes. A little bacon. She's a good one. Slowly. We got the creek. We got to cross to the other side, my friend. That's what we're doing after breakfast. We're gonna go to the other side and walk around. Probably go up that way. Yeah, we're gonna get some water here. We're gonna purify it, make some coffee. Yep. Pretty good, pretty good. All right. Yep, we're gonna go to the other side. Probably over there, right by where NYC Scrambler fucking tumbled into the river, right over there. But we won't talk about that. We'll just try to forget that whole thing happened. Got a little bit of bacon. Got a cast iron skillet with a handmade spatula. Cooking some onions and potatoes. Boiling some water. Oh yeah. A what? Dams? Yep. I mean, we could also venture downstream too. Watch out. We're just exploring outside of our campsite along this beautiful creek. It's deep enough to sit down over there. If you're into that kind of thing. Yeah, yeah. Quickly. Rapido, rapido. Got a little dam over here.
Kind of tried to make a little pool area like that.
Yeah. Not so bad at all. Here, you go ahead of me. In case I have to capture something on video. Whoa! Almost jinxed it there. Too bad I didn't have the camera rolling last night when NYC Scrambler took a little dip. He kind of toppled over into the fucking creek. I'll show you guys where it happened. It's kind of up that way. It was epic. So worth it. This is nice. Nice little pool over here. So nice. Hold on. Gotta get the phone out. There's a million butterflies over there. Gotta do Instagram story. Look at all these butterflies. Oh my god. What is going on? Is this their nest? What? Look at all these butterflies. That was cute. Yeah, I wonder what that is. Maybe somebody poured some like coffee there or something. Do we just stroll this way? This spot here is like
pristine.
Yeah. It's not a bad spot.
Good view of the creek.
Yeah. Yeah, this is actually fucking a nice spot. And it's close as... Is there any other spot to other shit?
And you're on higher ground, so you don't have to worry about the lake overtaking your campsite.
Yep. Live and learn. What number spot is this? I was gonna say it over there. This is like a big ass spot. 16. That's funny, we're so close to our spot. It's like, and like this spot over here, a little muddy. Look, more butterflies. And that guy left his cigarette butt there. That's appropriate. What are they doing, I wonder? What are you butterflies doing over here?
Is it a sex party?
Yeah, are you guys banging each other or something? I don't think I've ever seen this many butterflies this close up. They're fucking huge. Whoa. And out they go. Well, hello ladies and gents. We have camped for 2 nights. NYC Scrambler is camping a 3rd night because he's fucking hardcore, but that's it. My tent was here. Now all my stuff is right there. Drying. It was raining last night. Pretty much all night after we went to bed. But now it's okay. And now we're boiling some water.
Some creek water.
Some creek water for some coffee. Gonna drink some coffee, sit around, and then take a little 3-4 hour ride home. Why not?